more often than not, we can be our own worst enemy. We talk ourselves out of posting songs, uploading beats, posting content, networking, all the things that could lead us to our breakthrough or just even take us to the next level. I've been guilty of myself, held back on putting stuff out there, all because in my mind, or we've told ourselves that it's not perfect. But what is perfect? I feel like it's something that we've just created in our minds, an ideal that will never be met. And by doing this, by chasing perfection, we're not allowing ourselves to get to the next level or where we should be. And as I've looked back over the year, that's probably one of the biggest things that's helped me to progress and get further in my career as a full-time music producer and mix engineer. So I just want to talk about progress over perfection. And like I said, how much it's helped me to grow, not just as a music producer and mix engineer, but just as a person, how much it's helped me. Because I've worked with a lot of artists who, some, not all, are perfectionists. And I'm sure a lot of people can fit into that category of being a perfectionist. But I feel like it's stalling you from getting to the next level. It's stalling you from getting your music out there. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say just put out subpar music or content or something that you're not completely happy with, because then there's no point in that. You've got to be happy and confident with the work that you're putting out. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to see progress, you're going to have to take action. And like I said to an artist the other day that I'm working with, nobody really cares about a delay being 2 dB too high or some minute thing that you can't even, only you can hear, but they're not going to hear it. The average listener doesn't care as much as you do. They're just there for the vibe. They're just there for the experience. So if you put stuff out there, if you put your music out there, your content, your posts, your beats today, and then you look back at the end of the year, you're going to see progress. You're going to see how much you've changed, how much you've grown. But just imagine if you don't. What happens if you don't put the music out? All that music you got on your hard drive, them songs, them beats, the posts, because you're overthinking it. It's not perfect. You don't want to get it out there. How's anyone going to hear it? We're not going to hear it. So we're not going to hear it, not going to see it. And it's just going to be on your hard drive, getting stale and catching dust. An example of holding back on some of your work. Myself, I used to just like make beats and think, no, I'm going to save that one for such and such artist, or when someone of a certain level comes in, I can just show them that beat. But then what's the point? Because it's just going to be sitting there forever. That person that you're holding on a pedestal, waiting on, is never going to come. So you're just going to have beats just getting old. And then you might put that beat out, and then that's your most sold beat, your most used beat, the one that helps you to get seen. You've done it once, you can do it again. And I know for some, imposter syndrome is a real thing. Like, it happens to me a lot. Like, someone that asks me to create a beat, and I think to myself, am I able to do it? But trust me, if you've done it once, you can do it again, because it's in you to create. So just create and create, keep creating, get your work out there. So I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to give you some positive advice for you to get your music out there. Post your posts. Don't overthink it. Don't overanalyze it. Analysis paralysis is holding you back. Don't let that hold you back. You can just get your stuff out there. That one post that you're holding back on is viral, something that you want to do. That could be the post that could make it go viral. How are you going to know if you don't put it out? I hope you got something from this video, my friends. See you in the next video.